is your PHS News Today for Thursday, February 7th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paleymedia at paley.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Throwback Thursday. We will show you a picture and you have to tell us who it is. Here's the picture. Post-prom parents will be selling pizza again on Tuesday, February 12th. Pizza will be $2 per slice. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Any high school girls interested in girls track needs to stop by room 303 for a schedule. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Tonight, boys junior high wrestling will be at Southridge starting at 6. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with their weather report.
So as you go through your day, do expect some off and on thunderstorm showers and expect some heavier thunderstorms later in your night heading into tomorrow morning. For your weather today, we have a high of 65 and a low of 17. Heading into tomorrow, temperatures will start dropping a little bit. On Friday, we have a high of 27 and a low of 14. And on Saturday, raise a little bit more as they start to race back through the week with a high of 35 and a low of 25. Back to you.
Congratulations to Madison Cunningham for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Madison Collins. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.